Welcome to the best block in Leschenault. Build your dream home on 3 acres opposite the estuary. This stunning location offers the best of both worlds, with peaceful surroundings and only a short drive to the local shopping centres, a selection of schools, parks, and not to mention breathtaking walking tracks. One of the best parts of owning this property is how close it is to the estuary. 2A Crimp Crescent, Leschenault. Over 3 acres, right next to the CBD, not far from shopping, schools, public transport. Very quiet and peaceful area, right opposite the estuary. What more could you want? I look forward to seeing you soon.